Do not skip the plate aisle at Dollar Tree because they have these doilies. They are made out of paper and they are great for your home, but they are so fun to craft with. They come at 32 in a pack and they come in 4 different sizes, which I absolutely love. We're going to take 2 of the medium size ones and we're going to start by folding them about half an inch, and we're going to go back and forth and we're going to fold it like an accordion or like a handheld fan. We're going to do that all the way from one side to the other side, and then we're going to do it all over again for a second one. Now, you can do this with any size of the doilies. I just happened to grab the medium sized ones, but you can do little ones or you can do the largest ones as well. Once you have them both nice and folded, you're going to join them together side by side, making sure they're nice and even on the ends. Then you're going to hold it about maybe 3 to 4 inches from the top. Grab a stapler. It does not matter which stapler, and then staple it. I staple it a couple of times right next to each other, but one of them should be fine as well. Then you want to open it up, the top sides to each side. We're creating an angel. And then we're just going to hot glue each of the smaller sides to the larger bottom one by adding glue just maybe about an inch long. Then we're going to join both bottom portions, and then we're going to fluff as needed, opening them up, and then you can just start seeing the beautiful angel shape. We're going to add some glue to the top and a wood bead. Now you can also use an ornament. I thought later I could have totally used a golden ornament and it would have been gorgeous, but it's okay. The wood bead worked well. I'm going to use some Mod Podge and I'm going to brush on some of the fold everywhere on the angel, starting on the wings and then work my way down to the actual dress. And then we're just going to add glitter. Now I picked the golden glitter, but you can do red, you can do blue, silver, whatever you want, or you can totally skip this part if you want. You can also add faux snow, which I think would be a great little detail, but I decided to go with the golden glitter. I just like the way it looked. And again, I'm just going to do all over the angel's wings and the bottom. If you've worked with glitter, you know it's going to get everywhere. So I'm going to use my little handheld vacuum here, and it works so good. And I do have it in my Amazon store, which is linked below if you want to take a look at it. I'm going to add some yarn. You can also use pipe cleaners or golden ribbon. Whatever you have is fine. But look how cute this angel is. You can use as an ornament or just to hang around your home. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we're going to take one of each size doilies. We're going to start with the small one and we're just going to fold it in half, and then we are going to cut them in half. We're going to create little cone shaped designs, and we're going to do that in every size. Now you can do whatever you want. You can do them all the same size, all large ones, whatever you want. But I want them to be from small to large. So I'm going to do the same thing on all the doilies. And then once I have them cut in half, it's time to start shaping them into a cone. So you just want to fold them. And the key here is you want to make sure that the bottom portion is all even with each other. This is going to give you a nice flush bottom as well as a nice pointy top. Once you have it in place, you're just going to add a little bit of hot glue and then just seal it. You can also use double-sided tape or even clear tape. I'm going to do the same thing on all of them. All right, so we have each of them shaped like a cone. And now we're going to take a bowl and some faux snow. This is from Dollar Tree, and I also have gotten it on Amazon, but whatever you have on hand is fine. I'm going to add Mod Podge to the top of each cone, just on the portion that is solid. So I don't want it on the portion that has a lacy design. So just the top portion. And I'm going to add a lot of Mod Podge. Just be careful not to drip a lot, but I do want it to be heavy so that the faux snow sticks really well to it, almost like frosting. I'm going to do the same thing on all of them because I want all these little cones to look like little pine trees, and I love for them to just shimmer with that faux snow. All right, I sped it up because it's very repetitive, but I want you to see the difference in all the sizes. The larger ones, they do get a little flimsy once the Mod Podge gets on them, but it works really well. And just set them to the side, let them dry, and look how easy and gorgeous these are. You can add these to a Christmas village. You can add them to a mantle, whatever you want. Let me know what you think down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we are going to take more doilies. This time we're going to take 9 of the small ones and we're going to fold in half and then fold the sides until they overlap right there in the middle where that fold is. I'm going to add a little bit of glue stick right there and we're just going to attach both sides and try not to get any glue to the back of the doily. So then we're going to add a little bit of more glue stick and then we're going to fold it right there in half. We're going to create little pockets. So you want it to look like a little pocket. And we're going to do this same thing to all 9 doilies. All right, once you have everything set, this is what it should look like. It should look like a little pocket, just like this. See? Joined in the center, but the sides are not joined together. All right, so now we're going to join all these little pockets together and we're going to create a T using hot glue. We're going to add it to the bottom base and then up the middle, but stopping where the solid paper is. Again, avoid that lacy part of it. And then we're just going to do the same thing to all of them. Once they are stacked and attached, you can open it up just like this. Isn't that looking cute? Oh my gosh. All right, so then you're just going to work your fingers through all the pockets, just making sure nothing is stuck where it shouldn't be, and then add that one last one right there. You can add a string and hang these. I'm going to do the same exact thing, but I'm going to do it with the medium size doilies. I thought it'd be cute to have a small one and a large one. These mimic little snowflakes, and it'd be great to hang in your home or even for a birthday party or wedding, shower, whatever you want. Great way to use these doilies. Once again, just make sure that all the pockets are nicely separated and look how stunning these look. Again, you can add a string and hang them. Love the way they turned out, but let me know what you think down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we're going to take 4 of these wooden ornaments from Amazon. Now you can use these from Dollar Tree as well. Just remove the paper and the little like little galvanized part of it. I had these and they come a ton, about 100 in a box, and it's a really good deal. I do have them in my Amazon store as well if you want to check them out. All right, so we are going to paint the actual circle of it in the sandstone Waverly tone. I love this. It's very neutral. Of course, you can use any color you want. You can do white or red or blue, depending on what colors you're choosing for Christmas. Once dry, we're going to add Mod Podge to the top portion of the ornament, and then we're going to use glitter again. This is optional. Obviously, you can paint it. You can leave them like this. You can stain them. They are wood, so whatever you want is fine. I decided to go with glitter because I don't know, I was in the mood for glitter and making a mess, apparently. All right, so anyways, I'm going to do the same thing on all of them and making sure that I set it aside to dry. And now we are going to add Mod Podge to certain sections of the ornaments first. This one, I just want to add a little bit there to the right side, and I am going to add a layer of it on top of it as well and set it to the side to dry. I did end up doing then 1 layer on the entire ornament except for the glittery part. That way it's going to seal everything and everything's going to have the nice sheer finish that the Mod Podge leaves. And I'll do the same thing on the other side, leaving just a little bit hanging, and of course we will remove that later. Once they're dry, you just want to sand downwards with a sanding block, and it leaves a nice smooth edge while removing the excess doily. Such a great and smart way. I use this technique all the time when using paper or vinyl. And of course, these are ornaments, so we want to hang them. I have this white ribbon. I thought it would look really cute with the design, but you can use golden ribbon, you can use red ribbon, whatever you want. And we're just going to add it, loop it, and tie it. And I think they are adorable. What a beautiful set you can even gift as a gift to a friend or a loved one. But let me know what you think down in the comments. I have another video here for you with tons more of Christmas Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have a blessed day. Bye.